Hi. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new report in the template editor. First, go to the Page Setup tab and define the size and margins of your report. Using the tabs on the left, find the field you want. Then just left-click and drag onto the page. You can check out our help document to find a list of all of the fields available. It will also help you find which section that can be found. Don't worry. We have more videos to show you how to arrange and align all of the fields to make a clean and professional looking report. There are multiple tabs at the bottom to organize all of the different fields. To add your own text, click on the Label tool on the ribbon. Then click and drag a box where you want the text. Finally, double-click the box to add the text. If you want to create a return, use Ctrl+Enter. You can use the copy and paste on the toolbar. You can also use Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V.